First, turn on the phone's Wi-Fi and 2.4G Bluetooth. Long press the receiver button for 5 seconds until the indicator light flashes. Open the Smart Life app. Click Add Device. Wait for the device to automatically scan. Click on the corresponding device icon. Enter your own 2.4 grams Wi-Fi password. Automatic network configuration successful. Now you can control it remotely. Press the receiver button twice in succession. The indicator light will flash. Press the remote control switch twice. Receiver pairing successful. Press the receiver button 8 times in a row and the indicator light flashes, indicating successful code clearing.